It's the hub of the UK's defence and security industry, with more than 100 exhibitors showcasing the latest technology to help tackle counter-terrorism, military power and disaster relief. Protective clothing provided for the military was also showcased, the uniform being updated in line with future combat environments.
This is their Generation 4 combat clothing. A lot of people will previously know the Generation 3 stuff, which lots of soldiers have used in Afghan and other places. You can denote that pretty quickly by the knee pads, which a lot of the lads like. That stuff was quite heavy. It was quite a bit like denim, really, when it came to its wear and its feel, which obviously in hot Afghan summers, it protects you very well, but at the same time is quite hard work. It's quite hot. So this Gen 4 fabric is quite clever. It maintains those sort of protective qualities of the Gen 3 fabric, but it's much, much lighter weight, which means, of course, when you bring it back to places like UK and you get soaking wet and you're sat on Otterburn hillside, it's going to dry out all that much quicker. And also it's got a bit of stretch in it. If you look at most mountaineering clothing or outdoor clothing these days, it has a fair amount of stretch in it. So guys can reach up, perhaps hold a fire position and aim their weapon properly without having undue stress in the garment.
Drones are used regularly by the military now, but they're constantly evolving, their role proving vital in many situations.
Tethered drones allow us to fly beyond the standard length of a battery, which normally limits the flight time of drones. So the idea is that we can provide a persistent surveillance capability. It can't be jammed as there's no RF frequency going between the ground station and the drone, which is a key point. And finally, physical security. The drone can't fly away from the length of the tether.
Every year this event brings together senior military leaders, all with the same goal: to find modern technology that can be used to fight against any threat faced in the future.